Okay, for my cucumber grow, I'm using RODI water, and right now the parts per million is reading 0 on my gauge. I'm using 2 air stones for my grow, both the same size. This is 15.7 gallons or 59.43 liters per container I'm using, and I'm growing 6 plants per container. This is my nutrient setup I'm using. I pre-mix everything into about a 1 gallon of RODI water, and I got everything mixed up. This is set for 15 gallons. This is set for. I'm using Chem-Gro Cucumber Formula. I'm using the Epsom salt and calcium nitrate. I'm mixing up per 5 gallons 12.33 grams of the cucumber the Chem-Gro formula, and then I'm using 5.37 grams per 5 gallons of the Epsom salt, and then 10.32 grams of the calcium nitrate. And first you want to mix up the Chem-Gro formula, then the Epsom salt, and then the calcium nitrate. So I got my pH down to 6.4. Before it was 5.8 after I added the nutrient solution, and I got it stable right now at 6.4. My TDS is right at 350, exactly where I want it for now, until the plants start getting more healthy and establishing roots. And that's what we got right now. Here's the cucumber plants in the hydroponics. Right here I got the Excelsior F1. I got a Piccolino. Got a General Lee and a Northern Pickling and a Sabre F1. What I'm going to be doing on this side is I'm going to be growing the same plants, but I'm going to be trying 2 different hydroponic solutions, and we'll see which one does better. So here's my base parts per million for my TDS, and then my pH. This is the RODI water. Then on this grow bed I'm going to be using the Pure Blend Pro Grow and the Calamag Plus from Botanicare, and we'll see how they compare to this bed grow. Alright, got this down to 350 parts per million, and the pH is now 6.5. After I added the nutrient solution, the pH dropped to 4.2. So I had to use a bunch of pH up to stabilize it to 6.5. So this is the grow light I'm going to be using. This is the Spectrum King 400 Plus LED lights. This is 440 watts that it uses, and I'll be using this for the whole entire grow. I did use the closet case here. I used 2 of them, and these were each 100 watts. I used 2 of them the last grow, and it didn't grow the cucumbers, but halfway through the cycle I switched to the 400 plus, and everything started blooming and producing fruit. So yeah, so this is what I'll be using, and once these guys start taking off, I'll be switching to that. And right now I'll be using the 100 watts closet case 100 watt LEDs, just to get these guys going, and then we'll see how it does.